Hi, friends! Today, we're going to count from 50 all the way to 60. We'll start at 50 each time and count together. Ready? Let's go! Let's count to 50, starting at 50. 50! Great start! Let's count to 51, starting at 50. 50, 51. Awesome job! Let's count to 52, starting at 50. 50, 51, 52. You're doing amazing! Let's count to 53, starting at 50. 50, 51, 52, 53. Fantastic work! Let's count to 54, starting at 50. 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. Keep it up, friends! Let's count to 55, starting at 50. 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. Wow, so good! Let's count to 56, starting at 50. 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. You're amazing! Let's count to 57, starting at 50. 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57. Yes, you did it! Let's count to 58, starting at 50. 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58. Incredible counting! Let's count to 59, starting at 50. 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. Excellent work, friends! Let's count to 60, starting at 50. 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Yay! You did it! Wow, amazing! You counted from 50 all the way to 60. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be able to count even higher. Great job, friends! I'm so proud of you!